What would happen if you were raised by aliens your entire life? Day 1. No crib, no blankets. You float inside a pod filled with warm gel. Gravity is different. Your bones develop in ways no doctor on Earth has ever seen. You adapt. Year 3. You don't learn to walk. You learn to glide. Language isn't sound here. It's light patterns from their skin. Your brain rewires to read meaning through flickers. Year 7. Food is nutrient paste. Your body extracts energy from substances Earth's stomachs would reject instantly. Year 10. No sunlight for a decade. Skin turns translucent. Eyes widen for the dim blue lighting. Year 15. Your brain evolves. You process spatial data faster than any human alive, but emotion feels distant. Year 25. They hand you a file, a face, a name, a country. They didn't raise you out of kindness. They engineered you. Tomorrow you address a nation that has no idea their new leader isn't fully human anymore.